This is a monolithic program which we have seen in the previous demo lecture, and everything written inside main function, so it is monolithic. Now, if a program is larger, a bigger program, then you will be go on adding statement inside same main function, so the program becomes very lengthy, very vast and difficult to manage. What does it mean by difficult to manage? If you are getting any errors, then it will be difficult to remove them. And later if you want to make any changes, then it will take a lot of time for understanding the program and making changes. Then what we do? Break this main function into smaller functions. So that's what we will make modular programming, and also it is called as procedural programming. We will write functions. So what is the work that we are doing here? Taking input from the user, right? Calculating area and perimeter, displaying the result again and showing the result to the user. So this first part is user interaction, and this last part is also user interaction, and this is processing. So you do processing in a separate function. Let the user interaction be done by main function itself. So here I will write on functions. I will write on function called area. It will find out area, but it should know length and breadth. Length and breadth. Yes, we will pass that as parameter, no problem. After finding the area, it should return the result. So return type is integer. Then inside this function, I will do processing, that is I will return length into breadth. See, no doubt it's a single line, but it is done by some other function. Processing is done by some other function. Similarly, I will find out perimeter also. So perimeter is also integer type, and the function name is perimeter. It should also know what is the length and what is the breadth of a rectangle, right? So we will pass that as parameter. Then we will find out the result p assign 2 into length plus breadth. All right. Then return p. I have written in multiple lines. So taking a variable, then initializing with this formula, then returning the result. Okay, this is how I have done it. Here I have directly returned the result of this formula, length and breadth. That's it. Now we have two functions. Now this main function will not be finding the area of a rectangle by itself, but it will be calling a function area by passing length and breadth. Okay. Then I have to change the name of this variable because the function name and variable name are same. Then main function will not be finding the perimeter by itself, but it will be calling function perimeter by passing length comma breadth, and here assignment is missing, assignment is given. Now what I should print here? Area and peri. A for area and peri for perimeter. This is perimeter, it's giving some error. Yeah, this E is missing here, perimeter, yes. Now you can see the program here. Main function is interacting with the user and taking length and breadth. And it is taking the help of area function to find out the area, perimeter function to find out the perimeter. Then it is displaying perimeter and area. Same program, but the style of writing a program is different. So what is the style? We have written functions. They are functions for area and perimeter, and main is using them. So main itself is not calculating, it is taking the help of area and perimeter functions, right? So you can see the complete program now. All right. If I run this, I will get the same result. Length is 10 and breadth is 5. So 50 and 30, same result I am getting. So this is a program using function, that is modular or procedural programming. Now next thing, see, here processing was done, length and breadth was multiplied, but now we have written it as a function. And here also processing was done and perimeter was found, but now we have written a function. So we have separated the important processing part, right? Operations. Now what about this length and breadth? These length and breadth together, they are defining a rectangle. So why can't we combine these two together? Yes, we can combine them together and define it as a structure. So that next style, we will see it in the next lecture, next video. You finish this code, then in the next video I will combine these two, length and breadth. Then I will use structures. So next lecture is on structure and function. So first you write down this code, be ready with it. I will modify the same program. Alright, so that's all in this video.